guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a cookie banner to your Wix website. If you don't know what a cookie banner is, it's basically a little pop-up that appears when you go to certain websites that collect cookies. If you don't know what cookies are, it's basically allowing websites to collect data about what sites you're visiting so that they can target more specific ads to you. That's kind of the short description of that. However, in most cases, if you're collecting data from cookies on your website, then you need to inform your users that your website collects data from cookies and you need to make sure it's okay with them. So to set that up, you need to come over to your site dashboard. Then you can come over to settings right here. If you go all the way down to the bottom, you're gonna see privacy and cookies. If we click that, and you'll see the first option says display a cookie consent banner. If we go ahead and press get started, it's gonna open up some settings. As you can see, by default, the cookie banner is set to off. So what we need to do is turn that on. Then what we need to do is go ahead and decide what kind of color banner that we want. I'm just gonna do a dark one. And then you can change the buttons if you want. If you wanted to give your users the option to not have your website collect their data, you can add a decline all button. And below that is a little description for what cookies are and what they're used for on your website. And I forgot to do this, but then you need to select a page where your privacy policy is on your website, which this website does not have one, so I'm just going to select the home page. And then below that, you need to say review cookie policy requirements. You can read it if you want, and then say I've read and understand from above, and then go ahead and press save and publish. Now this little thing is going to say the cookie banner is now live, and if we go to the live site, we're going to see the cookie banner pops up here at the very bottom, and we can say accept, or we can go into the settings to see which ones can be turned on and off, and then press save, or the user can just click off of it. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more future content coming out really soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you all in the next one.